Friends, in this video for iThought Advisor, I'm going to talk to you on the topic reading the mood. The budget is out. Overall, people seem to be happy. The markets have cheered it. The Nifty is within nudging distance of 15,000 as we speak. The Sensex is near 50,000. Nobody would have thought that we would be here in such a short duration of time. We have had some spectacular moves in several companies. Valuations in performing companies are at historic highs. There is also a set of companies which have been neglected by the market for reasons of ownership, for the business nature and their cyclicality. Businesses which did not have cyclicality were preferred more during COVID. Businesses which were able to make better numbers with lower risk were preferred. We tended to make those companies valued much higher than their historic valuations. Everybody wanted to own them. Clearly, there was scarcity. So, when this budget was presented, the market went into this budget with that mood. Effectively, defensives were overowned and cyclicals were underowned. This budget clearly indicates that the government will expand the economy, it will spend, it will borrow, and it will try to bring growth back. Clearly, the risk-taking trajectory of the government has changed. It means the government is going to encourage the cyclical businesses, it is going to encourage risk takers, and it is going to encourage spenders. Effectively, when this signaling happens, there is higher probability of people who have been hiding in defensives preferring to take some risks. As the weeks go by, it is very probable that more people will buy into this approach and we will gradually see money move out of defensives into cyclicals. If the US markets support this with a similar spending oriented and infrastructure oriented move, we could see this become a trend in Indian markets with change in the market mood, change in the market favorites and change in where money is going. So, money could travel out of defensives into cyclicals, more retail money could take risks and institutional money could also be moving towards taking higher risks. Effectively, overowned, overvalued companies can gradually derate while cyclical, underowned, undervalued businesses could similarly re-rate. So, we should see a derating and a re-rating happen provided the markets read this as a long-term phenomenon and something sustainable. If the market believes that this won't last, we could very well just see a trend not sustaining long enough. But from what we have seen in this budget, the resolve of the government and how people have responded to it, it's quite likely that we could see a move from defensives to cyclicality, and that in essence is the mood of the markets. Thank you for watching this video. Do share it with your friends in the investment world and stay the course with us. Thank you.